My name is Mackenzie Brown. For my service learning project, I had the opportunity to volunteer my time at the Gratiot County Animal Shelter in Ithaca, Michigan. The Gratiot County Animal Shelter is a nonprofit organization and is located on Washington Road, close to South Elder Road. The staff at the animal shelter is very friendly. When the staff receives an animal, they make sure the animals have everything they need. To being updated in their shots, to making sure animals are getting their share of attention and need to be able to find their forever home. I thought volunteering my time here would be appropriate for my love and share for animals. When talking to the supervisor about the need to help increase communication, they stated how they rely on flyers in the community sharing posts about animals they have taken in and who are missing. They also encourage writing a testimonial letter to help future volunteers to donate their time to the animals. But before I started working on the flyers and my testimonial statement, I had a chance to meet the animals there and got to know them. When creating the flyer, I focused on the animals and the need to find their forever home. In the flyer, I stated the times the animal shelter was open and where they were located. When sharing the flyers posted on the Gratiot County Animal Shelter page on Facebook, the news about the animals is able to spread to a wide amount of range to find a forever home. After doing the flyer, I started working on writing a testimonial letter addressing how the volunteer program works, and to help encourage those who are thinking about volunteering to do so. I also stated in the letter that there were other things volunteers could do if they were not comfortable being around certain animals. Some ways they could do to help volunteer their time is by donating supplies and equipment to animal shelters. At the animal shelters, there are always in need of food and collars for the animals. When I was there, I was also able to talk to the people and tell them about the animals we have, and talk to them about their animals' ages and what type of breeds they are. I was able to help them encourage newcomers to take some time to see what is all out there and be able to show how the small little act one does can mean a difference to an animal in need. I also believe with the help I was able to contribute, the communication was able to increase from where it was before. During my time there, I learned that communication is key in business. To help able to communicate with one's superiors, to take phone calls, it's very important to pronounce your words and to talk very slowly. I will say that being able to do this will help me when I get a job in a business to be able to communicate better and be able to create something for them to help spread the word out about an event. The best thing was spending the time with the animals to be able to help them with their journey to find a forever home. Knowing the smallest help can mean the biggest. To be able to donate food and supplies to them, to give them attention and help them in the process of getting used to being in a home environment for the animals when they get adopted. This experience was able to teach me the importance of how to be able to manage and work in an office, to take and make phone calls, and to be able to write a letter or create flyers to tell people about important dates to save. This experience has given me the confidence in my work to know that it will help me in the future and my future employers to be able to identify things that may need done. I want to thank you for taking the time and watching my presentation. I hope you have a great day.